Hi there. So welcome to August. I can't believe it's August already. I think with lockdown we're all feeling that the summer months are passing us by. But I must admit, having time to do my journaling has really helped me through lockdown and given me something to sit and concentrate on, which has been great. As I said in my last video, I'm fairly new to bullet journaling, but not new to planning and crafting. But I really think that I found something that suits what I want from capturing the past, the present and the future all in one place. I've added a few things this month to try out, and I suspect over the next few months I'll keep adding some of the things that I'm seeing on Pinterest and YouTube. And a huge thank you to everyone for sharing your ideas, because that's really given me some inspiration. So I've gone with a slightly different setup this month. Last month I went with a portrait, and I'll pull all the information from my future log, and that will go into these boxes. I decided to come away from using the term goals. For me, goals suggest that there's that end point or success or failure point. So I'm moving over to using the word focus now. So that's something that I can move from month to month as things change. So my sleep tracker and habit tracker speak for themselves. I really like the setup of the bigger boxes on the habit tracker. For me, when you colour in a box, it's because you've achieved or completed something for the day. So I like to fill the page with my habit tracker. I just want to tilt this. I don't know if you can see this washi tape is gold gilded, which is absolutely wonderful. And I will link below where I get my washi tapes from, so if you're interested. Monthly highlights and gratitude, I started these for the first time last month and really enjoyed them. To get to the end of the month and be able to read through what you've captured throughout the month it's lovely to sit and do. Gratitude, that's a big thing in my life at the moment, and capturing gratitude every day, even if it's just 1 or 2 words as you go. So first week, as I said before, I like to fill in boxes. That works for me, and so this setup is perfect. I love the Dutch door, but I'm always a bit reluctant to be using 3 pages for a single week, so not something that I use every week, but now and again I throw it in because it gives me that little bit more space. And actually for this week it's given me space to put in a quote, and this is another area that I'm trying out and putting into my journal now is daily quotes. So this captures everything that I need for the week. It's got my meals, my do not forget and my notes, plus my 7 days to do my to-do stuff. On to the next week then, and again finished off with washi. I'm not an artsy person, so drawing for me is not something I'm confident with, so washi tape for me really finishes the page, and I actually found a little sticker to put in this one as well. This I think is probably my favourite layout at the moment. It's my boxes, so I like filling those in, but everything on 2 pages as well. To the next week, and again I'll just tilt this washi tape because this is another one of those gold gilded. And this is cranes, I think, on this one, but the colour matched my Tombow pen perfectly as well, which was great. This is the first time I'm trying this particular setup, so but again I can see it working. It's my boxes and it's fairly simple, so I'm happy with that, but we'll see how that goes. And then for the final week of the month, again matching washi tape, a place for a quote for me, and my boxes to complete. So exactly what I need from a weekly setup. So I added a few new things this month, and again it's a huge thank you for people that share, because actually all my ideas have primarily come from YouTube and Pinterest. So as I say, a thank you for people that share and give me that inspiration. When did I last? And this for me is for those things that don't quite fit into the weeklies. It's not big enough for the future log, and so I can keep track on some of the things that hit every 6 weeks, 8 weeks, those kind of things. Mood tracker. I like the idea of this. I've decided on 9 different moods. and I'll colour code those accordingly as I go through the month. So again, formats that the inspiration came from Pinterest, and normal finishing off with washi tape. For me, this just, rather than me feeling pressure to draw or doodle in any way, for me the washi tape does that. And again, you'll find a link below if it's something that you're interested in. So that's August. A few new things for me, which is great. And keep me motivated and on track. And I think for me as well, this keeps me accountable, which for me at the moment is something that works. So I'll upload again once I've worked through the September layouts, and who knows what I might find on YouTube and Pinterest to pop in for next month. But I will upload that as well. So please subscribe if you're interested in seeing future stuff. By the number of subscribers I have, it means people are interested in seeing what I'm doing. So I'd really appreciate that. Take care. See you soon.